All right, so we've been learning about currents and the movement of the water, and this video is going to seem a little weird because I'm going to be trying to show you things from a weird angle, but we'll do it together. So first of all, each of you are going to be having a piece of paper like this that measures the amount of ounces that are in the bottle you're going to be using today. So there are 12 ounces of space in this bottle. You're going to line it up here. You're going to take a Sharpie and you're going to make 2 marks. The glare on here makes it a little bit hard to see, but I think you'll be able to do it. You're going to be making 1 mark right here. And notice that I'm making it along the side and it is impossible to see. There you go. And then my second mark is going to be up here. So I'll make a mark, and when I turn it, if it's kind of hard to see as well, just make it a little bit darker. And in fact, when you're finished, you'll be able to wipe that off, which is nice. So basically what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be filling it up with water up to here. Then we're going to be adding some blue coloring. Once that's mixed, we're going to fill it up to here. And then we're going to fill it up with oil. Now, if any of you know anything about what happens when oil and water gets put into the same container, we'll see what happens. So first of all, I need to fill this up with water. And I just so happen to be using another container filled with water. Most likely, each of you are going to be having one of these, and you're going to have to take turns. Hopefully, you've had a good enough week together that you can figure out how to take turns to fill up this bottle, or it could be even that your counselors have been filling them up already. Either way, your job is going to be to fill this up to this mark. Now, some of you are going to say, oh yeah, I can do that, no problem. And some of you are going to say, I'm not so sure. And you may want to use a funnel. If you're going to use a funnel, it probably should be that one person is going to hold the funnel and the other person is going to hold the bottle. And you would put it like this and pour in the water. Now, I am going to, let's see if I can do this. Oh my, oh me, stay with me. Let's do a little movement here. So, I've got my mark here. I'm going to be crazy and see if I can pour this on my own while videoing. Here we go, here we go, here. Ooh. Stop! Yay for me. Getting thirsty. All right, when you're done, get to this point, you are going to step outside, and one of your counselors is going to be out there, and they're going to put a little bit of blue coloring into your bottle, just like that. Now, we're not going to put on the cap because it's a very, very special cap, and this kind of, ooh, that's kind of cool. This kind of cap that we have is a kind of cap that you can only use once. So, what you're going to do instead is take this paintbrush. You're not going to put the bristles in there. You're going to put this side, and we're going to use it like a little spoon. So we're going to go like this. Now, there was a little bit of a ball of color that was in there that I mixed up. I am sorry, but that is not blue enough. If you're like, I don't think so. Let's see if we can put in another one. Ooh, pretty. Let's mix it up. Ooh, it's getting prettier. Oh no, what do you think? Let's do some more. 1, 2. Getting crazy. Ooh. All right, here we go. Here we go. I like that. All right, so now I'm going to add some more water up until the next line. So here we go. Let's see if I can video and pour at the same time. Here we go. 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 And stop! Very nice. Very nice. Now, if you still are like, I wish it was just a little bluer, You can go talk nice to your counselor sitting outside and see if they'll give you a little bit more. You're probably going to do it on the grass or something. Oh. Probably going to do it on the grass so that we don't get blue food coloring everywhere. That wouldn't be a good way to end the day. Once you have it to the color blue that makes you happy, our job now is to add mineral oil. Oh, what have we? What have we here? Right here. At your house, they may call this baby oil, but here, it's mineral oil. And your counselor is going to work with you to pour the mineral oil all the way to the tippy, 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 tippy top. Do you see why we're doing that outside? Scary. Do you see how high it is? That is already making me so happy. Now, why did that not sink to the bottom? Something to think about. Now, check out this cap. This is a cap, and I bought this special kind of cap for you guys because I don't want you to open this up. I don't want you to open up this jar, ever. Because if you do, it's going to make a big old mess at your house. And then your parents are going to take it away from you, and you're never going to have your wave jar ever again, which would really stink. So, I am going to return this here. I'm going to put this back up here. And I am going to put this on. So what happens is that this cap, when it locks on, we're going to tie it real tight. If you ever try and take it off, we're going to know that you did because there's going to be a big old crack there. And we do not want a crack. Now, counselors, you may have to wipe this off just a little bit because it could be that a little bit of oil will have gone off on the side. But it's okay. It's not going to hurt you. But here's my favorite. You now are going to have a beautiful, beautiful wave jar where you're going to be able to see the waves of the ocean going back and forth. It doesn't look quite as cool from this angle, but from my angle it looks pretty cool. We can do it even more. And you can go around and play with your wave jar forever and ever and ever and ever. It's going to be beautiful. Have fun.